Welcome to John's Studio Travel Vlog. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey through one of Hyderabad's most iconic destinations, Nehru Zoological Park. Nestled amidst the bustling city, Nehru Zoological Park is a sanctuary of natural beauty and wildlife wonders. Join us as we explore the diverse habitats, encounter fascinating animal species, and uncover the magic of this beloved wildlife heaven. Whether you're a nature enthusiast, an animal lover, or simply seeking adventure, Nehru Zoological Park promises an unforgettable experience for visitors of all ages. Don't miss the chance to experience the magic of Nehru Zoological Park on your next visit to Hyderabad. Location details are provided in the description box below. Like, share, and subscribe to John's Studio Travel Vlog for more exciting adventures. And stay tuned for part 7 of our series, coming soon. Welcome to an enchanting journey through the Nehru Zoological Park in Hyderabad, where wildlife and wonder await at every turn. Situated amidst the lush greenery of the city, this sprawling sanctuary is a heaven for animal lovers, nature enthusiasts, and adventure seekers alike. As you step foot into the park, you'll be greeted by a symphony of sounds and colors, as diverse species of birds, mammals, and reptiles call this place home. Spanning over 300 acres, Nehru Zoological Park is not just a zoo but a vibrant ecosystem where animals thrive in habitats that mimic their natural environments. Join us as we embark on a safari through this wildlife wonderland, encountering majestic creatures from around the globe. From the towering elephants of Africa to the graceful giraffes of the savannah, every corner of the park offers a glimpse into the mesmerizing world of wildlife. But the magic of Nehru Zoological Park doesn't end with its animal inhabitants. Explore the lush botanical gardens, tranquil lakes, and scenic walking trails that wind their way through the park, offering visitors a chance to connect with nature in its purest form. For those seeking adventure, the park also offers thrilling attractions such as the Safari Park, where you can embark on a guided tour through open-air enclosures to get up close and personal with the resident wildlife. Or, hop aboard the zoo train for a leisurely ride around the park, taking in the sights and sounds of this living, breathing paradise. But perhaps the most rewarding aspect of visiting Nehru Zoological Park is the opportunity to learn and educate. With informative signage, interactive exhibits, and educational programs, the park strives to raise awareness about wildlife conservation and the importance of preserving our natural heritage for future generations. So come, join us on this safari of a lifetime as we discover the wonders of Nehru Zoological Park, Hyderabad. Whether you're a seasoned animal enthusiast or simply looking for a day of fun and adventure, this iconic destination promises an unforgettable experience for visitors of all ages. Don't miss the chance to visit Nehru Zoological Park on your next trip to Hyderabad. Location details are provided in the description box below. Like, share, and subscribe to John's Studio Travel Vlog for more immersive adventures. And stay tuned for part 7 of our series, coming soon.